Okay, we now have another unboxing from American Fizz. Let's see what's inside the box. There we go. They're well packaged. I've got to give American Fizz that credit there. So the Ghost Swedish Fish is the first one. This is the one I mostly wanted as well. Yes! The G Fuel Hack and Slash. Yeah! That's the one I wanted. This is the Friday the 13th one. Number 3. So what we've got next one is... it's the G Fuel Dream Demon. So this is a Nightmare on Elm Street. Nightmare on Elm Street. I've got a Jones soda box. Thanks for that. Oh, that sent me that. Funny enough, I actually have had a couple of the Jones drinks. Small one. Whatever this is, it's small. The fuck's this? Inca Cola. Golden Cola. Yeah, bloody hell, it's cold. That's really cold. Okay, what's next? Excellent packaging. Really well protected. We've got another Ghost. It's the Cherry Limeade. So we've got another one here. Oh, a new monster. This one is a Java 300 French Vanilla. Triple shot. I don't look forward to doing that one, by the way. What have we got here? Oh, it's another Ghost Tropical Mango. Mango? Still 4 more. Good that. Ouch! And with packaging and postage, this comes to £39 something. We've got another monster. This is the Java Monster Mocha Triple Shot. Oh, the G Fuel Chucky. Good guys. So 3 more G Fuels. Another Ghost. This one is Citrus. And we've got one more. I think this is another Ghost. And it is the Ghost Sour Green Apple. So there you have it. Another 11 drinks from my channel that I'll be reviewing in due course.